Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 5th to 17th, July 5th to 9th. The models continue to indicate a retrogression of this ridge that's over the east central U.S. into the west later in the period. Still expecting above normal heights across much of the nation. But you're looking here at the GFS, and then we look at the rest of the models. They're pretty good agreement at the beginning, 594 DM ridge over the region. And then you watch how it extends back and starts to retrogress towards into the west central states. Here we are at the 9th. Now it's across here. And then we take a look at the rest of the models. They're pretty much in a good agreement. This will bring a warm-up to the western part of the nation into the plains with anomalies of at least 10 degrees above normal. Temperatures across the remainder of the nation will trend closer to normal, but still slightly above normal. Precipitation will be found around the periphery of the upper high. The heaviest rainfall is forecast near the central Gulf Coast states. Showers and thunderstorms are forecast for the northern plains into the east. Some of the rainfall could be heavy. For July 8th to 12th, here we are at the 10th. The trend from the previous periods continues, and we have the ridge that remains over here. This is GFS. The GFS is the only model showing a slight tendency for a trough here across the northeast as this upper low sinks southward. So then we go to the 12th. You can see, but the rest of the models, they're indicating still the ridge here, the 594 DM over the west central states, but with the westerlies across to the north. So this is what the forecast is showing. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation with anomalies of at least 12 degrees above normal, maybe some even higher, as close to 18 degrees above normal across portions of the west, and then lower anomalies of maybe 2 to 6 degrees above normal elsewhere for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 45%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for the southern Rockies and for this region here. And the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Now we're going to look at the period for July 13th to the 17th. Here are the 13th, and like I said, the GFS still continues to show an indication of a trough here, where the other models are forecasting above normal heights across the nation, with the westerlies remaining across the northern U.S. So here we're at the 17th. You can see it's pretty much remains the same. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures again for much of the nation, with anomalies near 8 degrees above normal, mainly in the west. Lower anomalies elsewhere, 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for July 5th to 17th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.